Find the result part of the vector A equals to 6i minus 3j plus 9k in the direction of vector B equals to 2i plus 2j minus k. So now to find the result part of vector A in the direction of vector B, so that vector B will be equals to, that's B over the magnitude of vector B. So where the value of this B is anything as vector A times the value of vector B over the magnitude of vector B. Now the first thing I will obtain there is the dot product of the two vectors given. So now going to the question, vector A, that's 6i minus 3j plus 9k, times vector B, that one is 2i plus 2j minus k. So now to find the result part of vector A in the direction of B, so that will be vector B equals to B over magnitude of vector B. So this B that we have is as vector A times vector B, that is the dot product of the two vectors given over the magnitude of that vector B, because the question says in the direction towards B. So that will be dot product of the two vectors given, then over the magnitude of the other vector. So now from what we have here, 6i times 2i, so that will give us, that's 12i squared, minus 3i times 2j, that will give us minus 6j squared, plus 9k times minus k, that will give us minus 9k squared. So don't forget that the value of I squared, j squared, and k squared are equals to 1. So that means from here we have 12 minus 6 minus 9. So 12 minus 6 will give us 6 minus 9. So this one will give us negative 3. So this is the value of vector A times vector B, that is the dot product of the two vectors. So that one is negative 3. So now the next thing that we need to find there is, that's the magnitude of vector B. And to obtain the magnitude of vector B, so that will be the positive square root of, as for vector B, we have 2i, we'll square this, plus 2j in brackets raised power of 2 plus negative minus k all squared. So now to obtain the magnitude of vector B, that will be 2i all squared plus 2j all squared minus k all squared. So now what we are going to have next is 2i raised power of 2, that will give us 4i squared. So I need to have that square root of 4i squared plus this one will give us 4j squared plus this one will give us k squared. So we always put addition sign in between. So now the next thing I want to have here is, don't forget that the value of I squared, j squared, and k squared, they are equals to 1. That means from here we need to have 4 plus 4 plus 1. So that's square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. So that's the magnitude of vector B. So the magnitude of vector B is equals to 3. And don't forget the formula that we're using is this. So therefore, the result part of vector A in the direction towards vector B is equals to, the value of this actually gives us negative 3. And the value of the magnitude of vector B gave us 3. So this one will give us negative 1. So don't forget that this B is taken as the dot product of the two vectors given. So and the answer of that one actually gives us negative 3.